तर वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी अनेक माणसे काम करत असतात. स्वतःची कर्तव्य पार पाडत असताना त्या पलीकडे जाऊन समाजासाठी काही करू पाहतात. अशी काही माणसे तर काही संस्था देखील असतात. त्यापैकी एक म्हणजे रोटरी क्लब. सेवाभावी वृत्तीने सदैव समाजासाठी काम करतात. अशाच एका रोटरी क्लब ऑफ जुहू मुंबई यांचा आम्ही एबी गोरेगावकरची मुले एक भाग बनणार आहोत. त्या निमित्ताने आजचा हा एबी गोरेगावकर इंटरॅक्ट हा शपथग्रहण समारोह आयोजित केला आहे. या समारंभात सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत. आपण या कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात सामाजिक बांधिलकी जोपासण्याचा उपदेश देणाऱ्या अशाच एका प्रार्थनेने करूया. प्रार्थना सादर करते मुक्ता शिर्के. मी सर्वांना विनंती करते, प्रार्थनेसाठी तयार.
सत्याचा उद्या उगवेल आहे खातरी. भोवताली दाटला अंधार दुःखाचा जरी, सूर्य सत्याचा उद्या उगवेल आहे खातरी. तोवरी देई आम्हाला काजराचे जागणे, माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा समागणे, ही चालूची प्रार्थना. थांबले ते
त्या आयडीवरून गेली.
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद मुक्ता. Hello everyone, I am Swanandi Date from A.B. Goregaonkar English School and now I am part of Rotary Interact Club. I welcome you all for our first installation event. We, the student of A.B. Goregaonkar English School, are honored to be the part of Rotary Club. With Rotary Club, we'll get an opportunity to reach out other needy people and help them. असं म्हणतात ना की एकमेका सहाय्य करू अवघे धरू सुपंथ. Now I will request our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Pandakame ma'am, to say few words.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm very happy to address all of you on this occasion of oath-taking ceremony for the Rotary activities in our school. As all of you are aware that Rotary had given me this honor of addressing the Rotary members and students on the oath-taking ceremony. I thank Mrs. Kalam ma'am for giving me this opportunity and expect a long-lasting and mutual beneficial relationship with Rotary Club. My dear students, you are aware how Rotary functions, which will be explained to you by Rotary President and members, Mrs. Kalam ma'am and Ashmi ma'am, during her address. Let me take this opportunity to explain all members of Rotary about various activities conducted by our school, as well as information about our school. A.B. Goregaonkar English School was started in the year 1948 and completed 78 years successful operations for in 2020. The school had given best of the students to the society who are stalwarts, name a few. Captain Amol Yadav, Best Singer Sadhana Sargam, Best Actors, Doctors, Engineers, Professors, Industrialists, etc. All these are past students of our schools. In fact, it will not out of place to mention the contribution done by the Shikshan Mandal Goregaon, ensuring that good education is extended to lowest strata of the society. As you may be aware, I am associated with the school for last 31 years. I started as an assistant teacher in the year 1989 and assumed the position of principal in 2020. During my last 30 years association in the school, I was awarded various awards by the state government, UNICEF, as well as Nation Builder Award from Rotary Club and Municipal Corporation. I had been a keen interest in developing students' capabilities so that they can meet the real life challenges of tomorrow. Rotary will facilitate and ensure that they will give all the requisite help and support to our students from time to time. Our students will also participate actively in various projects which Rotary is going to initiate. These projects will teach them various aspects of team building, working in groups, how to interact with outsider, etc., which are life skills and essential for them to succeed in life for tomorrow. For better understanding of our students, let me address them in Marathi. मुलांनो, स्वानंदीने आत्ताच सांगितलेलं आहे त्याप्रमाणे रोटरी ही एक नावाजलेली संस्था आहे, NGO आहे, सामाजिक बांधिलकी जपणारी आहे. सर्व्हिस अबाव सेल्फ हा त्यांचा मोटो आहे. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी म्हणे जो आपुले, तोची साधू ओळखावा देव तेथेची मानावा, अशा अर्थाचा हा मोटो. शैक्षणिक, सामाजिक, वैद्यकीय क्षेत्रात यांचं मोठं योगदान आहे. ब्लड डोनेशन, आय डोनेशन, स्किन डोनेशन यासारख्या योजना ते राबवतात. मुलांसाठी विविध स्पर्धा घेतात, मनोरंजनाचे कार्यक्रम देखील करतात. शाळांना ते मदतीचा हात देतात. कोरोनाच्या काळात तर गोरगरिबांच्या पोटाची व्यवस्था यांनी लावली. रोटरी हे जे उपक्रम राबवते ते बघून तुम्ही रोट्रॅक्टर त्यांच्या सेवेचा श्री गणेशा आत्ता या लहान वयापासूनच कराल आणि पुढे या रोट्रॅक्टचे तुम्ही देखील रोटरी बनाल. हळूहळू समाजाला मदत कशी करायची हे तुम्ही यातून शिकाल याची आम्हाला खात्री आहे. धन्यवाद. Once again, thank you so much, Mrs. Kala ma'am, Ashmi ma'am, Piyush sir, for their association with AB Goregaonkar English School. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those words. It's my pleasure to call upon my best friend and our president, Ms. Mukta Shirke. Mukta is learning Bharatanatyam since last 5 years. She is a wonderful singer. Mukta is learning piano too. She is intelligent, kind, and a smart girl. She achieved first prize in inter-school elocution competition. She reached till second level of Homi Baba Junior Scientist exam. She came second in 6th standard.
Thank you, Swanandi.
Welcome, Mukta. Now I would like to invite our Rotary Club President, Ms. Kala Sridhar ma'am. Kala ma'am holds a degree of BCom and later she completed MBA in Banking and Finance. She is also certified NLP practitioner. After successful career, she retired from Central Bank of India and now runs an event management company, ARK Events, successfully. They have 1.50 lakh subscribers and 42 million views. She is Rotarian since 2017, president of RCMG in the vision years since July 2020, has completed nearly so successful projects impacting nearly 40,000 people. She is passionate about music and promoting fresh talent. Now I would like to request Kala ma'am to say few words and guide us.
Thank you, Swanandi. Before I begin, good afternoon to all. Poonam ma'am,
Yeah, good afternoon.
Ulka ma'am,
Good
Preeti
afternoon.
ma'am, and my dear Interacts. Before I begin to talk about Rotary, let me tell you, Mukta, the prayer song that you rendered, it really touched the soul. It was so,
Yes, yes.
it was really very good.
Yes.
Thank you,
To, and you
ma'am.
know,
Yes.
yeah, and we have, ऐसे लग रहा था कि तुम गाते ही रहो और हम सुनते ही रहे और
So
गाना
nice.
गाओ. Yes. Good afternoon, my dear Interacts of AB Goregaonkar English High School. Our chief guest Hashmi ma'am, Rotarian Piyush Shah, Varsha Baradia, Youth Director and Secretary Ashish Patankar, our moderators Preeti ma'am and Ulka ma'am, parents of the Interacts and guests. It is really a privilege for me to be associated for Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu to be associated with the school Abhi Goregaonkar. After hearing Poonam ma'am speak about all the stalwarts who all have graduated from these schools, we are now looking for what we are waiting कि मुक्ता will का क्या बनेगी और
Yes,
मुक्ता का नाम
yes.
किधर आएगा, and then she will say that I was an Interact Club of IB Goregaonkar, which was associated with Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu. First of all, hearty congratulations to all of you. थोड़ा इंग्लिश थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. मराठी में स्पीच देने का मेरे को कभी
It's okay.
80 मार्क्स से ज्यादा मिला नहीं मराठी में, तो मैं वो
It's okay,
अटेम्प्ट नहीं
ma'am.
करेंगी. So Rotary International is a service organization. जैसे मुक्ता ने भी अपने स्पीच में बताया और पूनम मैम ने भी बताया, सर्विस अबाउट सेल्फ इज आवर मेन मोटो. इट इज टू ब्रिंग टुगेदर पीपल and leaders in order to provide humanitarian service and to advance goodwill and peace around the world. There are nearly 35,000 clubs worldwide with 1.2 million individuals as members known as Rotarians. Children, you are in the age 12 to 18, you are known as Interacts, and the children from 18 to 25, they are known as Rotracks. So as we say, today's Interacts, tomorrow's Rotracks, and Rotarians for life. You have at this age you have an opportunity to participate in meaningful projects while developing leadership skills and meeting new friends. These projects will help you. but demonstrating helpfulness, कैसे एक दूसरे को हम मदद करेंगे, कैसे respect for others, understanding the value of individual responsibility and hard work. आप जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट चूज करते हैं करने के लिए, आपको यू आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट प्रोजेक्ट, उसमें आपको गोल है, ये मेरा गोल है तो इसको मेरे को कैसे अचीव करना है. जैसे आपको एक एग्जाम में एक सिलेबस दिया रहता है, आप एग्जाम के लिए वो सिलेबस वो उतना है, 100 मार्क्स का पेपर है, मेरे को ये 100 मार्क्स के पेपर अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए मेरे को मेरे इतने टाइम में ये क्वेश्चन में इतने टाइम में आंसर करूंगी तो इसमें मेरा पेपर कंप्लीट होगा. ये हम जैसे हम प्लान करते हैं, सिमिलरली इधर भी आपको प्रोजेक्ट जब आप प्लान करेंगे तो आपके बाकी लीडरशिप स्किल्स, आपके कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स जो है ये सब डेवलप होंगे. हम इंटरनेशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड गुडविल, आपने you all had attended संस्कार, and I remember that you आपने वो डूडल आर्ट के काफी बाद में मेरे को पेंटिंग्स बहुत आए थे, बहुत जने. yours was आपके स्कूल के फर्स्ट आए थे पेंटिंग हमारे पास, इमीडिएटली सेशन खत्म हुआ एंड शाम को ही मेल में आ गए थे काफी पेंटिंग्स. वहां पर आपने संस्कार में you enjoyed the session on time management, motivation, leadership and the storytelling session on organ donation and compassion. बच्चों हमने ना कवि सम्मेलन see as ma'am Poonam ma'am was telling about organ donation and all, we organized to create organ project. कैसे होते हैं organ donation के अवेयरनेस के लिए हमने ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स रखे, ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स के बाद हमने कवि सम्मेलन रखे where children interacts participated and they wrote, उन्होंने पोएट्री लिखे and they got a chance to recite this poetry in front of so many people. This is where you get the confidence, आपको opportunity मिलती है, आप you are meeting unknown people and वहां पर आप you can show your talent also. As जो रोटरी के बाकी इंटरैक्ट प्रोग्राम्स में से कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में मैं आपको बताती हूँ. रोटरी यूथ लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स होते हैं. It's an leadership experience where you develop your skills as a leader while having fun and making connections. Ripen, Rotary Youth Program for Enrichment, where you are presented with a series of ideas, challenges, and social experiences which will assist in broadening your horizons socially, culturally, and physically. आपकी जो सोच है, आपकी जो capacity of thinking, the vision becomes wider. There is no boundary. You can build communications and problem solving skills, discover strategies for becoming a dynamic leader, turn motivation into an action, model United Nations Assembly. Participating in this project, you know more about the United Nations. हमने civics में पढ़ा है ना United Nations के बारे में, तो ये हम उसका रोल मॉडल करते हैं. So what is the role of how they are contributing towards the world peace, in addition to health, education, and living standards of the people around the world. Rotary Youth Exchange Program, जहाँ पर the students, it is an exchange where you go and stay in other country with other family. Unfortunately, this year we are not able to do this because now everything is virtual in this particular year. रोटरी क्लब ऑफ मुंबई जुहू का सबसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट है संस्कार और उड़ान. हमारे जो मेन प्रोजेक्ट्स है वो सिर्फ इंटरएक्स के हैं और उसमें से सब आपने संस्कार अटेंड किया. हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो उड़ान है, उसका लॉन्च हम ये मंथ के एंड में करेंगे. एंड आफ्टर हियरिंग मुक्ता एंड आपके उस दिन के हमारे इंटरएक्टिव मीटिंग में भी मैंने somebody was saying कि हश्मी that day we had this meeting with them and she was saying मैंने YouTube में देखा how to generate electricity, they are and like we should do this for the villages. They are already started thinking.
Wow, so, that's real fast.
So उड़ान में हम सबको participate करना है and it will be a very great experience. This time उड़ान is virtual and we are having lot of competitions. अलग-अलग type के competitions है जो आप सब enjoy करेंगे. रोटरी क्लब ऑफ मुंबई जुहू, हम एश्योर करते हैं आपको कि आप जो भी एक्टिविटीज, जो भी आइडियाज हैं आपके पास, आप हमको बताइए. We will try to give you our 100% support and see that you are successful in your projects. All the best, Mukta, and your team of Interact Club of Abhi Goregaonkar English School. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those encouraging words. Now I'll request Athava to introduce our chief guest.
Hello everyone, myself Atharva Samant. I am here to introduce our honorable chief guest Ashmi ma'am. Ashmi ma'am joined Rotary in 1997. However, her association with Rotary dates back to her childhood days, as her father was an eminent Rotarian and a past president of Rotary Club of Ahmedabad. During the last 21 years, she has held various posts at the club level. She has president of Rotary Club of Bombay Airport in the year 2009-2010. She is a major donor. At district level, she has served in many avenues such as RAI Sports Committee Youth Feast as part of Rotary Service Week. She had served as Avenue Chair for Rotary Seva Abhiyan and Youth Protection Officer for Rotary Youth Exchange Program. Currently, she is Avenue Chair membership for South Bombay. Apart from Rotary, she takes keen interest in promoting skating, which is an international competitive sport. She is the founder member and the vice chairman of Maharashtra and affiliated unit of Maharashtra Olympic Association. She has the rare distinction of being the first woman vice president of AFEX Asian body of skating and the first Indian to be elected as the office bearer of this. Thank you.
Arthav, thank you very much for such a good introduction. Kala ma'am, can I just start it?
Yeah. I'll just share the screen for the.
Okay, this is my proud privilege to present a certificate of organization. This certificate recognizes that the Interact Club of A.B. Goregaonkar English School, Goregaon West, Club ID is 221877 and established on 29th July 2020, has been organized and agreed through its offices and members to be bound by the Constitution and bylaws of the Interact Program of Rotary International, sponsored by the Rotary Club of Mumbai, Juhu, Maharashtra, India, signed by President Kala
Holger. Ara
yeah,
internal.
Hogar on 12th August 2020, and this was signed by on 6th of August. So it is really proud privilege, and congratulations to Mumbai Juhu President and all the Rotarians, and of course A.B. Goregaonkar, each and every interactor. Madam Principal too.
Thank you, Miss.
Namaste. President Kala, President Pandarkarne Madam, Youth Chair Varsha, Secretary Ashish, moderators, newly inducted Interact President Mukta Shetty, Senior Rotarian Piyush Shah, and all the Rotarians of RC Mumbai Juhu, and all warm welcome. And I cannot forget you all, young interactors. मुक्ता, तुमने इतना सुंदर, कला मैडम ने भी बताया, मैं भी फिर से वही बोलना चाहती हूँ. You sung it so well. Invocation song was so beautifully sang by you. इतनी अच्छी शुरुआत हो गई है, तो ये साल अच्छा ही जाना है, और definitely you will reach greater heights. कला मैम तो थोड़े बहुत भी मुंबई में है, मैं तो I am born and brought up in गुजरात, तो मेरा तो बिल्कुल मराठी अच्छा है ही नहीं, तो मैं तो अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं करूंगी. जो भी है मैं इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी में ट्राई करती हूँ बोलने का. Madam Principal has given brief note of so many celebrities. So now it is up to you interactors, first of all Mukta and all the interactors and students of AB Goregaonkar School, to take this legacy forward. And we are very confident that you will take this further. Whatever I heard, Mukta, about you, you are such an all-rounder. So you will take your school and club on a newer heights and achieve lots of laurels for your school. So one more time, congratulations to all of you to chartering a new Interact Club. It is said you take care of youth. Whenever you take care of youth, we are taking care of our nation, who is our future citizen and maybe future Rotarian also. You never know. In future, you may decide to become Rotarian too. You all know by now that Interact Club is a part of Rotary International Organization, which has its presence in more than 160 countries. Worldwide, we have more than 20,000 Interact clubs consisting of 4 lakh plus interactors. Imagine now. So you all are part of such a big international community, which is so unique and inspiring to so many youth. The name Interact came from the words, 2 words it has come from. International, first half is an international, and action, that is a act, is a as a club. So Interact word has come from international action. After eradicating, you all must be knowing Rotary has done wonderful for eradicating, polio from this world. Now it is there in just one country, which is also almost on a verge of getting eradicated. So after eradicating polio from world, now literacy is Rotary's new focus. And that is where you all are connected to. Youth is connected to literacy. I can say that an Interact Club is a happy medium between social club and service club. Generally, interactors are friendly, caring, and interested in doing service to the society. Joining an club is a life-changing way to shape up your young mind in a meaningful way. So I must say you've taken a right decision to join service organization. It promotes understanding among people of diverse backgrounds, culture, and religious. Share ideas and find the best possible way to deal with a situation. Let us talk about some of the goals of Interact. First of all, I would say it is to recognize and develop constructive leadership and personal integrity. For any organization, your integrity comes very important. So Interact, once you join the Interact, it becomes part of your duty. Interact encourages and practice thoughtfulness and helpfulness of others. Because you are always doing for society, you are always doing something for community. It helps creating an awareness of the importance of home and family, because you are going to help underprivileged children, which you will be giving, them feeling of what is family and what is home. In turn, it helps you develop life skills, including self-development, time management, and managing finances. Once you are involved, you start recognize the dignity and value of all useful occupations as opportunities to serve as society. As it promotes sharing and caring through networking, you can develop international service projects and that expands your understanding of the world, promotes goodwill, and make world peaceful and better place to live. Your parent Rotary Club, Kala ma'am, has already given assurance, and I am also very sure that your parent Rotary Club Mumbai Juhu will help you in organizing speakers from various fields, maybe captain of industry, businessman, woman, professional, educationalist, and many more. They will also assist you in giving some ideas, doing some projects for community. This way, you will have vast exposure to other world also. Friends, once you are active and involved fully, there are certain few points you should remember which will help you in your success and shaping your future as a finer human and to become a good leader too. To achieve this, there are some points I have thought of. What are they? First of all is a teamwork. Teamwork is important factor that helps to be successful. In my opinion, teamwork is one of the skills that is essential to have to be able to undertake the task. What I have believed that effective teamwork means more success while carrying out tasks. In a team, someone needs to stand above the rest to organize the ideas and working as a team with each of the members. Next one, I feel, according to me, honesty and integrity. It is said by one of the leader that supreme quality of leadership is unquestionably integrity. Without it, no real success is possible, no matter whether it is on a football field, in an army, or in any office or any organization. Honesty and integrity are two important ingredients which make a good leader. How can you expect your followers to be honest when you yourself lack of these qualities? Leaders succeeded when they stick to their values and core beliefs, and without ethics, this will not be possible. So this becomes one of the very important character to become successful. Confidence. To be an effective leader, you should be confident enough to ensure that others follow your commands. If you are unsure about your own decisions and qualities, then your subordinates will never follow you. As a leader, you have to be oozing with confidence. It should be there. I can do it. I can do it. Show some swagger and assertiveness to gain the respect of your subordinates. This does not mean that you should be overconfident too, but you should at least reflect the degree of confidence required to ensure that your followers trust you as a leader. Another one is a time management. In today's life, everyone is multitasking. We cannot just sit and do any one work by not ignoring others. So along with study, you must be taking part in so many extracurricular activities. Mukta, like you are a dancer, you are a singer, like that everybody is doing so many things. You must be helping your mom also in house activity, like that so many things you must be doing. So when we are engaged in so many activities, time management becomes very crucial. Only then you can take proper charge of the situation, then only you can reach to some level and you can concentrate in every activities you undertake. Another one is commitment and passion. Your team looks up to you as a leader. When your teammates see you as getting your hands dirty, then only they will come and help you. You cannot just stand behind, far and see that you all do this work. You cannot do that. You have to do it yourself, and then only you should be passionate enough to do the work. Like today, you can see your madam has come, spending so much of time with you. Your moderator is spending. Your President Kala madam is spending time with you. So this is how, because they have passion. They have passion to work with everyone. They have passion to do some community work. And that is why they are here. These are few important qualities you should develop, which will help you not only as an interactor, but later in life, in higher education, in profession, in your career, in your business, whatever you take up in life. Can I share one nice story with you, which will really help you, just listen to it carefully. Once upon a time, there is one daughter complained to her father that her life is miserable and that she didn't know how to do, what to do, and she doesn't know what she should do it. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seemed just that one problem was solved and another one would crop up. Her father, who was a chef, took her to the kitchen, What he did 3 pots of water and placed it all on a different different burner. Once 3 pots water started boiling, they placed, father told daughter, you put potatoes in one pot, you put egg in one pot, and you put coffee in one pot. So like that, in 3 different pots, father told her to put different items. He then went out and sat peacefully in the outside area without saying a word to his daughter. Daughter, as it is, she was upset, she was mourning and impatiently waited and walking around and wondering what my father is doing. After 20 minutes, he turned to the burners. He turned off the burners, he went inside kitchen and turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed it on a plate. Then he pulled out boiled egg and put it on a bowl again. And then after that, he ladled out coffee and placed it in a cup. Turning to daughter, he is asking daughter, what do you see? Daughter said, potato, eggs and coffee. She was very upset. She angrily said, potato, eggs and coffee. Look closer, father said, and touched the potatoes. She did and noted that they were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, she observed that hard-boiled egg has come out. He asked her to sip the coffee now. And its rich aroma brought a smile to her face. Father, what does this mean? Why you are telling me to do all these things? He then explained that potatoes, eggs and coffee beans had each faced the same adversity. Each were put in a boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potato went in very strong, very hard and unrelenting in the boiling water, but it became soft and weak. The egg was very fragile with a thin outer layer and protecting a shell. When it went inside the boiling water, it came out as a hard shell. It became very hard. Even outer and inside, both the layer became very hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something really new. It gave real good aroma. Which are you? So father is asking, which are you? You daughter, you think when adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean? Moral of the story is, in life, things happen around us, especially in this kind of circumstances when epidemic, this pandemic is happening. We all are so upset and so many things are happening. So in life, things happen around us. Things happen to us also. But only thing that truly matters, what happens within us. That is most important. Whatever is happening around us, you should not bother. You should not become weak. You should be always positive of whatever is going on. And that is how you can stay very positively and become a successful person. So this story is a good learning for all of us, and to remain calm, positive, and focus in current challenging situation. Friends, to work for youth and work with youth is both my passion. It keeps you always young at heart. It doesn't mean anything, but I'm just telling you, I always feel so good working with youth. So friends, just keep these 3 things in mind. Whatever is your calamity, whatever happens around us, you have to remain strong, you have to remain calm and always positive. These are the few take back you should take home. And thank you very much. I'm wishing you all the best, Mukta, and all the office bearers, Madam Principal, Moderator, Kala Ma'am, all of you. Thank you very much for calling me. Piyush, Senior Rotarian Piyush, and Varsha, everyone. I'm thankful to all of you. And all the best to each and every one of you. I want to see you people come out with the flying colors at the end of the year. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those encouraging and motivating words. We will always remember the lesson which you told by a nice story. Thank you. Now I will request Mukta to share the ideas and projects of ABGS.
Good evening to all. First, I will thank my teachers for giving me an opportunity to, to be the president of this Rotary Interact of AB Goregaonkar English School. I accept this post with humility. It is an honor to be the president of this Rotary Interact of AB Goregaonkar English School in the first year of activity. Now, I would like to introduce my core team secretary. Saloni is good at drawing and painting. She got the first prize in International Handwriting Competition. She got third prize in QMath competition. She also came first in 6th standard. Atharva Manoj Kumar Samant.
Thank you, Mukta.
Atharva Manoj Kumar Samant, treasurer.
Hello everyone.
Atharva got scholarship in 5th standard. He got silver medal in Bhugol Pradnyashod Pariksha. He likes to play table tennis, cricket and chess.
Thank you, Mukta.
In the board of directors, we have the following members. Swanandi Vishwas Datte.
Hello, good evening.
Swanandi is learning Kathak for last 5 years. She is good at sports. She got silver medal in karate competition and she is also bright in her studies. She got scholarship in 5th standard. She also got gold medal in Nature Capital Olympiad exam.
Thank you, Mukta.
Darshil Dattatray Saramwadi.
Hello everyone.
Darshil got scholarship in 5th standard. He got bronze medal in Nature Capital Olympiad for 2 years and he got gold medal in Bhugol Pradnyashod Pariksha in 5th standard and bronze medal in 7th standard.
Thank you, Mukta.
Soham Sanjeev Karmarkar.
Hello everyone.
Soham got certificate for drama acting. He is friendly nature. He is good in making innovative dishes.
Thank you, Mukta.
Pankaj Prakash Khelwade.
Hello, good evening all.
In Nature Capital Olympiad exam.
Thank you, Mukta.
Nilay Shankar Padarkar.
Hello,
Nilay got medals in Nature Capital Olympiad continuously 3 years. He is good in acting and drama. He loves origami and now he has his own origami YouTube channel.
Thank you, Mukta.
So, this is my team I wanted to introduce to you. We have given a lot of thought about the activities and projects we would like to initiate during this year. First project, donate your things to the needy. Generally at home, we have old clothes, shoes and many other belongings which are usable. We no more need these things. We, the club members, propose to start a campaign to collect such things from the neighborhood, friends, family, etc. once in every month or every 2 months and give it to the needy. Second project, waste management awareness program. We, the club members, want to spread the awareness of segregating waste into e-waste, dry waste, and wet waste. Some people do separate type of waste, but municipal corporation ultimately mixes it together. If we raise the awareness in the people through videos, emails, WhatsApp messages, the situation can be changed. Third project, replacing plastic bags. Through this group, we will promote usage of cloth bags instead of plastic bags. We will make these bags from old cloths at home so that it will be cost effectively. We will identify 10 parents from our school who already have a sewing machine with them and get stitched. These bags will be distributed to the street vendors. Fourth project, friendship with orphans. There are many orphanages in Mumbai. We want to create bonds of friendship and love with the children from the orphan houses. In the post-COVID times, we will visit the places with the help of our teachers and parents. We will also plan to teach these new friends some of our skills like dance, Warli painting, glass painting, origami, at which some of us are really good. So, these are some of our shortlisted ideas. There are so many more, but let us bring these initial ones into action first. We need your well wishes and cooperation to bring these projects into reality. We are very eager and excited to start working. Thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. Thank you once again for this opportunity given to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukta. Now I'll request Nilay to give vote of thanks.
Good evening to everyone gathered here. On this wonderful evening, I would like to present vote of thanks. We take this golden opportunity to thank the respected chief guest Ashmi ma'am for attending today's function in her busy schedule and motivated us. I extend my gratitude to the respected head of the department, Mrs. Kala Sridhar ma'am, not only for spending her time with us today, but also for encouraging us. And thanks to our school for giving this opportunity to us to participate in this Rotary Club. And also thanks to Rotary Club for involving us in this innovative project. Thanks to parents also for attending this program. And last but not the least, my friends who beautifully arranged this function. Without your efforts, this would be not be a successful. Thank you, my buddies.
Thank you, Nilay. Now I'll request everyone to please stand up for national anthem and please be seated after the national anthem. Thank you.
Very good. Many congratulations to the new Interact Lab.
Thank you, Miss.
Congratulations to
Mukta has to
the school and all the interacts, the moderators, parents over here. You will be now associated with a very big international family of Rotary International. Congratulations and welcome to the Rotary.
Thank you, sir.
Mukta has to adjourn the meeting.
Mukta, say adjourn. This meeting is adjourned.
Yeah.
Hello, Mukta.
Adjourn kara.
Actually, she has
Adjourn
a
the
network.
meeting.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think yes.
Yes.
I think she's having connectivity issues.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Poor connectivity.
Come.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
Varsha.
ma'am.
Hi, Varsha.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwin,
Hi.
to be present with us.
Hi everyone. Many congratulations. Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Varsha.
Thank you.
Ashmi, thank you so much.
Thanks, Kala. Thanks for calling. Thanks.
Thank you. It was nice of you to be
Huge
with.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Preeti ma'am is all nice and very relief, I think, after the installation. Na? Ekdam.
Thank you. Work begins now. Yeah.